Hey, what's up guys? In this video I will show you how to add Google AdMob ads in BuildBox project. Adding ads is easy and simple. In order to add Google ads, you have to do two steps. The first is you should have Google AdMob account. The second is to add game data in BuildBox. Alright, let's jump to BuildBox. Now what we have to do is go to settings, then go to advertisements. Now as you can see here, these are the advertising methods that you can use. But in this video I will show you how to use Google Ads. In order to use Google Ads, you have to fill in these three options. These options are very important. The first is App ID and Banner ID and Interstitial ID. To fill in these three identifiers, you have to go to Google AdMob site and create a new app. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to Apps section here. Now choose the app that you want to display ads on. If you don't have one, create a new app. Here, if you published the app on Google Play Store or in the Apple App Store, select yes. If you have not previously published it, select no. Here choose the platform. If you want to publish the app to Google Play Store, choose Android. And if you want to publish the app for iOS App Store, choose iOS. Okay, here write the name of your game. Now as you can see, the app has been added. Now as you can see here, this is the app ID that you should use in BuildBox. What you need to do now is copy this ID by clicking on this tag, or in the usual way by pressing the right mouse button and then choose copy. After copying the ID, go back to BuildBox and paste the ID in App ID option here. Make sure to put it in its correct place, which is the App ID. Now we need to create ad unit to get the banner ID. Here click Create Ad Unit. Here choose the type of ad unit you want. If you want to use a banner ad, just select banner. I will use a banner. As you can see here, the ad format is banner. Okay, here write any name for the ad unit. The name is not important. Now click Create Ad Unit. Alright guys, here you have to copy the ad unit ID and put it in BuildBox. You should copy the ad unit ID and not the app ID that we copied previously. This is the app ID and this is the ad unit ID. Make sure to copy the ad unit ID and not the app ID. I will copy the ad unit ID and I will put it in BuildBox. Make sure to paste it in the AdMob banner option. Now we will create an interstitial ads. Click here to create another ad unit. Now here choose interstitial. Here type any name you want, it doesn't matter. Now click Create Ad Unit. Now copy the interstitial ID. Make sure to copy the ad ID and not the app ID. Now go back to BuildBox and paste the interstitial ID into the AdMob interstitial option. Now the first step has ended, and now the second and the last step. Now we don't need Google AdMob anymore. So let's jump to BuildBox. I will go to Ad Settings to make sure everything is correct. Alright, everything is good. Now you need to choose where you want the ads to appear. As you can see here, this is the main menu of my game and I want ads to appear here. What I will do now is determine where ads appear. I will make ads appear in the main menu of my game. Now make sure you have this yellow box. Now here in the settings of this world, we will enable ads. Through the settings here, choose Google Ads. If you want to use ads of another company, choose it here. I'm using Google Ads, so I will choose AdMob. Here if you want to activate interstitial ads, choose Google Ads. or choose no if you don't want to use interstitial. Here is a very important option, and it is the option to repeat ads. Here is the number of times an ad appears each time you return to the main menu. If you set 1, this means that the advertisements will appear all the time and every time you enter the main menu. If you choose 5, for example, ads will appear once in every 5 times you return to the main menu. Meaning if you leave the main menu and then return to it, the ads will not appear, except when the 5th time you enter to the main menu. If you use banner ads, I recommend you to set 1. If you want to use full screen ads, interstitial, I recommend that you make them between 3 and 7. Here is the level menu, and also I want ads to appear here. So I will go to the settings of this world and I will activate the ads. As you can see, I want to use Google banner ads and I want to make it appears all the time. And also I will activate interstitial ads and I will make it appear every 3 times you go to the main menu. Now the last step is to try the game on your real device. The ads will not appear in the simulator, so you should try it on your real device. Just go to File option, then choose Export. If you want to try it on your iOS device, then you will need Xcode to install the game on your device. And if you want to try it on an Android device, you will need Android Studio to export it as APK file to try it on your device. Now I will try it on my device to make sure everything is working successfully and that the ads are working fine. Alright guys, as you can see, this is my game and I will open it now to try it to see if the ads works or not. So let's go ahead. As you can see, the ads work without any problem and you can now earn money through ads. And this is just the test ads. If you do all the steps correctly, it should work for you too. Alright guys, don't forget to try my game. It's available on Google Play. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.